In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a JPEG in Adobe Illustrator. So I have a file open. This is a vector graphic of a dog. So I'm going to export it as a JPEG by going up to the top left menu and going to File, Export, Export As. On the bottom here, you'll see Format. You can choose JPEG. And if you had multiple artboards, you could select this and tell this the range of artboards that you want to export. I'm just doing one for now. So choose where you want to save it and click Export. This is where you can choose the color model that you will be exporting. So if you need it in RGB, CMYK, or Grayscale, and the quality. Reminder, the quality will increase the file size, so keep that in mind. And the resolution is down here. I want this for print, so I'm going to have it as CMYK 300 dpi. Click OK, and here is my JPEG. So that's how you export a JPEG from Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to CryStudio for more graphic design and Illustrator tutorials. Thanks so much.